start driving Reuben's Skyline, something didn't quite feel right in the rear end, and I wonder what I had broken.
It really clicks into, like when you go straight, you feel the diff like lock it up almost. Yeah. Probably it is.
We swapped back to carry on filming, and then Reuben said it didn't feel quite right, and then we saw what was wrong.
Let's go.
Go.
Hey, I'm Reuben and this is my R32 Skyline.
Keep an eye on the back wheel right about now. As soon as he pulled away, he pulled out the power. I knew something had to be wrong, and then he came up over the hill slowly.
It's too hard to see because it's so low. I'm gonna have to
Do you want to go back to my place, or do you not want to drive it?
you
could roll it forward on your...
I can go under here.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Let's see what just pops up back here.
Because it's the camber here, eh?
Yeah, it shouldn't be like that.
Was that it?
Might have been. Look like, there we go.
Yeah.
Weird, eh?
Yeah, real weird. I videoed it for you. I saw the wheel pop straight and everything.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I don't know if it feels like.
Back on the road, the car seemed sweet, so we carried on driving, and then it popped out again. Is it done already?
Yeah.
Is that falling off again? Oh, does it knock it off?
Yeah, it's broken the rubber bush.
Yep. Back on the road again, still none the wiser, but did it again. This time we decided to pull it over, jack it up a bit more, and actually get under and have a good look at what was wrong.
Oh, well, yeah, that's the subframe.
Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah.
Will it be alright to get my place?
Yeah.
Check out the movement there, the subframe's not even connected. Eh? Oh yeah, look at it. Oh wow. You're missing bolts on the nuts on this side, bro.
Is it?
Yeah. The rear dude, it's your rear mount.
Wow.
It's like it completely fell through it. It's almost like the bush isn't in there.
Yeah, well that's what this side was like.
There isn't a bush in there, bro.
Yeah.
So we nursed it back to my place where we could have a proper look and see if we could get something on it so Reuben could make his way home to repair it. Yep, I'll smooth that tab.
Do you have a 17 and 90mm spanner?
Yeah, absolutely. We go here. Oh, hang on, let's do this properly, bro.
That's alright. Hopefully this will
Reach into my Skyline parts bin.
This should just hold the whole bush up into place without dropping because it'll hold up onto the...
Man,
Yeah.
nothing wrong with a Brotec automotive.
Exactly. That's what we're gonna do with Skyline stuff, isn't it?
Ignore that yellow stuff. I'll Photoshop it so it looks red.
Should do. Check it on the same one, I think. Yep. Just need that 17 and I'll rip it out and just put it on.
So we need this here. 17, 16, 19, 17's a funny one, there it is.
You know what would be good?
What would be good?
If I had another nut that's just a bit bigger than the thread on there, and
Okay.
I'll put it up as a spacer.
So, do we want to go to this?
Because this will go outside of the actual
What do you reckon?
bush housing, and then it will stop, if you get what I mean.
Like that?
Yeah.
It'll be the wrong thread. Like,
No, I want it to go over
you just
the...
want it to be a spacer,
as a
eh?
spacer
Yeah.
like that.
We need to drill it out, or because there's this too.
Alright, that's... Yeah, I'll have to draw that out.
I've just got all sorts around. I don't throw shit away. It's not how it works.
Yeah, I've got a whole kit exactly the same.
It's got to be done there.
Oh, exactly. I'll just see if this is...
You mean? I don't know if I have another one in, but
Just because it'll... I'm just trying to think in my mind how I'm trying to say my words.
you're just trying to spread the load out so it's got
Yeah.
more to perch on.
Pretty much.
Yep.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's... If I drilled it out, it'd be perfect.
Yeah. Because I'm pretty sure that's a funny thread. It's like a
Yeah.
wood, like a open thread, not a car thread.
What I might do is just try it with those washers first. See how... If there's a bit of slop in it, then if I make something else up just to space it, it should work.
Oh, that breeze is good.
Right, what am I doing? Do that there. Only thing is I might need a spanner just because of the thread so long, that's all. Yeah, I might need a spanner shot.
Exactly. So yeah, this is the...
Because it's holding the pretty much the outside of the bush,
yeah.
which is still intact
Yeah.
to the subframe.
Yeah, so you've not gone metal on metal.
Nah.
So at least when I break your car, I hope you fix it, right?
Oh, exactly. Oh well, that's good.
Okay, now we do car shuffle. Oh, I'll let you drive out.
Oh, I'll just put that over there. Always carry the jack on the boot, especially a low one.
To see the actual repair, check out Reuben on TR Racing. We'll link in the description. Cheers, bro.